Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toys 2 Kids channel. I am Binky, and today we're going to build my very own house. We'll go step by step through the construction process. And at the end, I'll give you a full tour inside my brand new home. I'm so excited! Are you ready to help me build it? Let's go! First, we start by designing the house plan. We decide how many rooms we want. A living room, a kitchen, bedrooms, and a garden. It's like drawing our dream on paper before it becomes real. Next, we make a list of all the materials. Bricks, cement, sand, steel, wood, and paint. Everything we'll need to make the house strong and beautiful. Then, we visit the hardware shop to buy everything. The shopkeeper helps us load all the materials carefully. Bring the materials to the construction site. The workers unload everything and get ready to start the real work. Build the basement. This is the strong foundation that supports the whole house. Next, we build the walls and the first floor. We add doors, windows, and stairs. The house is starting to take... Yay! Now, we build a roof to cover the house and keep it safe from rain and sunshine. Let's say a big thank you to all the amazing workers who helped build this house with so much care. The house is ready. Time for the housewarming celebration. We decorate with flowers, light some deers, and invite everyone to celebrate together. Now that everything's ready, let's take a walkthrough of my beautiful new home. Garden. Let's step outside into the garden. Look at the pretty flowers, butterflies flying around, and a little swing where I love to sit and enjoy the breeze. Welcome to my living room. It's bright and colorful with a big comfy sofa, a TV to watch my favorite cartoons, and a rug that feels so soft under my feet. There are wall paintings and a little bookshelf with my storybooks. Kitchen. Next is the kitchen. This is where yummy food is made. There's a shiny stove, colorful utensils, and a fridge full of fruits and snacks. We even have a small dining table where I can enjoy pancakes and milk every morning. Bedroom. Now, let's go to my bedroom. My favorite place to rest and dream. It has a comfy bed with bright bed sheets, a big window for sunlight, and my toy shelf filled with all my favorite action figures and stuffed animals. I love reading bedtime stories here every night. Bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Clean, shiny, and colorful. Here's a cute mirror, a small sink just my size, and tiles that make it look so cheerful. Backyard, and this is the backyard! It's my favorite place to play and explore. There's a sandbox, a slide, and space to plant trees and flowers. I spend hours here building, playing, and dreaming. Wasn't that amazing? From design to construction to the final walkthrough, we built a house together, step by step. Thank you so much for helping me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toys 2 Kids channel for more fun adventures with me,